So I'll be showing you how to stop Instagram from sharing your posts and your reels to Facebook. Go to Instagram, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Account Center at the top there. And then, as you can see, the two profiles are linked. If I could tap on it, you can see Instagram and Facebook are linked. So I'll go one step back and then I'll tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Tap on that and then tap on Instagram. So basically this page allows you to enable or disable sharing from Instagram and sharing to Facebook. So you have currently Instagram posts, which include normal posts and reels, and also Instagram stories. So to stop that, you need to turn that off. And also if you want to stop sharing stories from Instagram to Facebook, you can turn that off as well. And that's going to stop Instagram from sharing any of your posts to Facebook automatically. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.